Hi my loves, it's Aya. Thanks for joining me today. Let's take a few minutes for ourselves to relax, to breathe, and to feel calm inside. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes and allow yourself to fully relax. Feel your body becoming lighter with energy breath. Imagine yourself on the shore. In front of you, an endless ocean, its surface shimmering in the sunlight. Inhale this fresh, salty air, and with the exhale, release everything that no longer serves you. Your shoulders drop gently, the muscles of your face soften. Your heart beats calmly, in resonance with the sounds of the waves. Each inhale fills you with strength and life energy. Each exhale carries away worries, doubts, and fatigue. Picture the sunlight touching your skin, warm, gentle, like an embrace. This light flows inside you, filling every space with warmth and harmony. Now there is only you and the ocean. You are part of this nature, part of its rhythm, its breath. Stay in this state for a little longer. Simply observe your breath, observe the peace within you. And now, slowly return to reality. Take another deep breath in and gently open your eyes. Carry this feeling of lightness and inner radiance with you throughout the day. Do you feel it too? I don't want to leave just yet. I sit here a little longer. Thank you for being with me, guys, and see you in the next video.